Hello, good morning, everyone. I'm Shwachira. This is my CEP, Complex Engineering Project of EPS. This is based on the Boolean Evaluation System project, and I made sure I followed every easy profiles in this in project while doing this project. I also followed every course of outcomes covered by this project. I also listened to the ERR videos to gather the data to produce a project. And coming to the project, it is Boolean evaluation. And coming, this is the abstract. The project develops a Boolean evaluation system to enhance logical reasoning and problem-solving capabilities. The system provides an interactive platform for constructing, evaluating, and simplifying Boolean expressions, featuring real-time feedback, truth table visualization, step-by-step logic simplification. Designed for accessibility, it supports users in mastering complex logical operations through intuitive interfaces and modular exercises. Preliminary results indicate improved comprehension and engagement, making the tool valuable for educational and practical applications requiring robust Boolean logic analysis. This project is based on a Boolean evaluation system. It enhances the logical reasoning and problem solving category for everybody who is trying to use the system because it has many properties through which you can do complex systems easily, through which you can develop your visualization skills, and also through the real-time feedback you can get, you can also improve your uh, in problem solving capabilities too. It is an interactive platform for constructing, evaluating, and studying expressions, through which you also get some real time feedback, so you know what you are doing and how you are doing it. And it is designed for accessibility. It supports in mastering various complex logical operations through various interfaces and model exercises, through which uh, you can know how accessible it is. You can master different types of complex logical any sort of operation through this system. And there are also many intuitive interfaces and large model exercises which help you in making this more easy. The results while doing this indicate improved comprehension and engagement. I've tested this too. It promotes comprehension and engagement, making it valuable for educational practical purposes. Well, can use this anywhere, even if it is in a serial workspace environment, or in a learning education institution, which require any sort of Boolean and logical analysis systems. And here's a certificate. I declared here that every work done here has been original and done by me under the guidance of our supervisor. This has not been submitted anywhere else. I have followed every guidelines provided by the college and institution while preparing this report. I have confirmed the norms and guidelines of the ethical code of the college. Uh, whatever I have used, I have presented here. Um, the okay, coming to the objective. The objective of this project is to implement an interactive Boolean evaluation system that facilitates construction, analysis, and simplification of Boolean expressions, providing real-time feedback through table visualization and guided logic simplification for to enhance users' logical reasoning and problem-solving skills for educational practical applications. This project motive is to design and implement a Boolean system that facilitates construction, helps in construction and analysis of a Boolean expressions, making various Boolean expressions simplified, through which you can make defense of the Boolean expressions. And through the real-time feedback it provides, you can also visualize the truth tables, through which you can easily do the Boolean evaluations. This logic simplified helps user to enhance their logical reasoning. Due to the different intuitive interfaces and uh, simplified expressions of the booleans, it helps people to enhance their logical reasoning and also problem solving skills for practical applications. It has a wide variety of things and can be used anywhere, along with in an educational area or a workspace too, because of its modularity and its simple to use, easy to use nature. Anybody can learn it from, as I said from earlier, beginners to learners to experts. Anyone can truly interact with this project and be a part in it, because it is a very intuitive project. It has many users with wide variety of this, through which you can learn many things by this project. Uh, by doing this, you can do the two-table visualization. It's very useful in logical analysis and uh, improving your problem solving skills through by doing this project. And yeah, coming to the prerequisites and requirements to understand and execute the program that finds pairs with that finds this Boolean evaluations, certain requirements must be met. They are technical requirements are Python environment. Python 3.x must be installed on the system. Program uses basic Python syntax and standard data structures, so no external libraries are required. Python 3.x must be installed on the system because it's mandatory, because the project is another Python it's mandatory. No other type of external library is not required because Python is enough to do this. And this program just uses Python basic syntax and standard data structures, so there is no need for external libraries or any sort of uh, conversational libraries, etc. Uh, you can use a text editor or IDE such as VS Code, PyCharm, Sublime Text, or even a simple notepad may be enough to write and run the program. Command line or IDE execution. The program can be executed using command line, Python file name .py directly within an IDE. You can save the program file name as .py and run it in the command line through the command line, or you can directly use an IDE like VS Code or VS Code, etc., through which you can run the program in itself. It is a very simple code because you don't need to, anybody can use it because you don't need too much software or required software to be installed because only one library is required, such as Python, an IDE, or if you want to use an IDE, you can use the VS Code through which where you can write the program itself and you can also execute it there. So it is very easy to use and also very convenient for anybody to use. Even if you have basic coding knowledge, if you're now coding knowledge, you can also learn this easily by just looking up for a video or looking at something. You can understand what is happening in the basic sense. You can write a program by yourself. You can also run it to an IDE. Now if you want to run it to the hardware, you want to do something else, you can install Python in your system and you can write the program at a text editor such as Notepad or Notepad++ if you want to, or you can use any other code editor like Python, Sublime Text given here. In simple text editor like Notepad can be used to write the program. After that, you have to save the file name of the text editor as .py because then it is considered as a Python file. After that, you can go to the command line where you have to run as administrator and set the system environment variables. And after that, you can run the program by yourself by entering the file name, etc., and running it. You can get the output by yourself by doing like through the command line. So it's very simple to run this program. You don't have too many requirements to do it. So this is very simple and modular to use. And yeah, coming to Boolean, this is a code. Uh, Here's a Boolean evaluation code. Here we express and give the values here. We are writing how they are being replaced here, and we are giving string and int values A and B. We are giving expressions replaced. How are they getting replaced? Here we are declaring the evaluation variables. We are defining the truth table here. Uh, we are giving the expression of truth table. Uh, After that, we are making sure the truth table is printed properly. That's why I'm giving lines here. Uh, this is the basic formula through which can evaluate how booleans do work. Here this is the here this gives a truth table result through which we are taking the expressions from above and inputting it in here. After that, truth table is formed through which A is equals to true or false, or B is equals to true or false is known by us by calculations in the above. As a result, we get the Boolean evaluation expressions, and finally, the result is printed down here. Here's an output example. We have to enter a Boolean expression example A or B. Here A and B is entered. Here is the truth table for A and B. It is given like that, like 0 0 comes to 0 and 0 1 comes to 0, 1 0 comes to 0 and 1 1 comes to 1. So this is how it works. So A is also true and B is also true. So the result comes out to be true. This is how it works. Coming to the conclusion, the Boolean evaluation project has developed a streamlined system that empowers users to construct and analyze Boolean expressions effectively. Its intuitive interface and real-time feedback facilitate a clear understanding of logical operations. The tool's ability to generate truth tables instantly enhances its utility for educational purposes. As I said before earlier, it is very great for educational purpose or even a workspace because it is very intuitive to learn and easy to learn because for new people who join the companies, there is a very intuitive and good software to learn more about these Boolean evaluations and due to its intuitive interface and because of its real-time feedback it provides, can facilitate a clear understanding of logical operations. It can generate truth tables instantly, which enhances its utility for educational purposes. So any educational one people like who want to learn more about these things can hugely benefit from this. Initial testing reveals the system significantly boosts the user engagement and comprehension of Boolean logic. The modular design ensures accessibility for both beginners and advanced users, making it adaptable for various learning environments. Its robust performance and underscores its potential as a reliable source for logical problem solving. As I said before earlier, also its modular design helps very much for both beginners and advanced users, making it adaptable for various learning environments. Even if it's a coaching project, or even if you are at an educational institution, it is helpful by a lot, and also helps in doing various learning environments. It has a very its robust performance underscores its potential as a reliable resource for logical problem solving. Looking forward, it lays a strong foundation for future enhancements such as advanced expression simplification and broader platform integration. Its success in delivering a practical and engaging tool highlights its value for learners and professionals alike. Continued development can further expand its impact on logical based applications. It has it is a very strong foundation. It can be developed so much further. There's a much scope for improvement than what it currently has. You can do many things with it as much as you want to. Can make it can extend it through far and long, and you can do many modular changes according to what you want to do to it. Uh, so it is a very promising project through which you can do many things. And I hope you like the presentation. Thank you.